guys, this is John from Lakeshore RV Center. I want to show you today the Cyclone 4270. This one could be yours. Let me walk you around, show you some of the basics that are on this brand new Cyclone toy hauler fifth wheel. One of the most amazing things about this particular toy hauler fifth wheel is the fact that it offers a double patio system. But take a look at this incredible basement pass-through storage that we have in here. Motion activated lights. This is their store more. It goes all the way to the front. One of the largest storage compartments of any of the toy hauler models. Wonderful exterior grill here too. For those days when you just want to chill out by the campfire, grill up your favorite food, great place to start. As we walk inside here, one of the things I want you to take note of is the fact that this unit has a second patio on it. Just like most toy haulers, it's got a patio in the back. But one of the great features of this particular toy hauler is the fact that it's got this outside patio up front here. It's got a TV, refrigerator down here. You can bring your whole family out here and entertain yourself. Let's walk to the inside now and show you what else this has to offer. One of the largest sofas of any model that they feature has these center divides that fold down with USB hookups, cup holders, and things of that nature. Great place to entertain at the bar here with your family. And for those toasty, chilly nights, don't forget we've got a fireplace in this kitchen. They'll keep you nice and warm. Look at that full-size oven. Great place to cook those favorite meals. Residential microwave, 55-inch TV. Look at all this incredible kitchen storage though. Triple shelves in this kitchen, 18 cubic foot gas electric refrigerator. Yep, this is gas electric. Redundant system. One system fails, you have this as a backup, which is great. Let's walk up front and show you what we've got up here. So we walk up front, one of the things I want you to see first, take a look at this oversized bathroom. No matter how big you are, it's got all sorts of space. One-piece fiberglass tub shower unit, solid surface countertops, and dual points of entry. Guys, take a look at this incredible bedroom that Cyclone has to offer. A king-size residential bed that tilts. Double entries into this full-size bathroom. We even have a tub in this bathroom. Triple ACs in this unit. So you can climate control each individual room. And take a look at this incredible storage. Some of the best storage of any model that they offer. We've got the side wardrobe storage, plus we have additional storage up front here with these additional dresser drawers and cabinets. An absolutely incredible bedroom, one of the most spacious that they offer in any of their models. Come take a look and see what this incredible garage has to offer. As you walk back into the garage, one of the things you're gonna notice is these two power beds up in the ceilings. These power beds will power down. That makes into a large dinette. You've got these wonderful glass 3-seasons doors. And of course, this back end folds out into an additional patio. Remember, again, this model has 2 patios. One of the unique features of this particular Cyclone. And don't forget, you have an additional half bath back here as well. This wall will actually fold out of your way. The advantage of that is for those of you who might have a large 4-seater General or Razor or something, you'll need that added extra width here so you have the clearance for the tires when you come in. Incredible garage here. Washer dryer hookups, patio steps, tough guard on the floor, oil resistant. Don't forget the little kids loft up there too. So we can sleep 5 back here. You guys, this is John from Lakeshore RV Center with so many reasons why to consider the 4270. Let's make this your new RV today. If you're interested in this model, give me a call. You can reach me on my personal cell phone number at 231-740-6225. Love to hear from you. Any additional questions, reach out. Thanks and have a great day.